Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I mean, it definitely looks like we have the end of a big ABC correction right here, and I think there's a very good chance this is actually a 1 and that this is actually a 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now. If this really is a wave 3, which I believe it is, then we have got a lot and lots of upside potential. I think it's going to take out this 61% fib extension level and potentially go a lot further than that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do believe that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think this is a correction like an ABC of 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now. This right here is just a correction within that wave 3, and that this is going to continue on these higher time frames to make higher highs, higher lows. Maybe it's like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and eventually it's going to go up for a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I was definitely initially thinking that it would go down and probably take out these lows before it goes up, but it's starting to look more and more and more like this right here really is the end of a correction, and maybe this right here is actually a trend. And this right here was actually the end of a correction. This is a trend. This is a correction to this trend, and now it's potentially just going to keep on going up from here. We definitely want to look for buys on sort of time frames until we see evidence that this is not a trend and that is actually a correction to the downtrend, which I'm starting to think that it's probably not. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely can make out a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, 1, 2, 3 B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 C. It definitely looks like an ABC correction, and we got a break of structure to the upside from the wave 4, which tells us that that trend is very likely to be over. If that really is the end of a wave C, then it probably is the end of a correction, and it probably is just going to keep on trending up from here. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on here because if it does make a bounce, a big bounce from a fib level, then I would definitely exit any longs that I would be in, and I would potentially start looking for shorts because, like I said, I mean, there is a possibility that it could go down. There's always a possibility of that, but I also see that it seems to me like it's making an uptrend followed by a correction. And it seems to me like it's actually trending and it should maybe continue to trend. And if it continues to trend, then I would definitely continue to look for longs. I am definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks right now, unless I see it make a big engulfing move down at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. I am definitely going to be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.